Assalamu alaikum class 2. It's our 13th lecture of English A. So today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Book 2. First of all, open page number 29. At the top of page write down the date. Unit 4, Nasir in trouble. Trouble mean mushkil. What's to know? Exciting, thrilling, something that stirs up the feelings. Explain, made the meaning clear. Platform, the raised surface at a train station that is level with the train on which people stand. Stall, a small shop like those in a market. Trouble, anything that causes difficulty or worry. So now we will start the reading. Nasir waved goodbye as the train pulled out of the station. His mother stood on the platform waving. So Nasir waved goodbye to his mother as the train was about to leave the station. His mother was standing there and were waving to Nasir. Stood mean खड़ी रही. Now be good, she shouted, and don't get into trouble. So his mother said, now be good and don't get into any trouble. Shouted mean cheekhi, trouble mean mushkil. Nasir was soon in Lahore. He was staying with his uncle Sami. Nasir liked Uncle Sami. He was very jolly man and told exciting stories. So Nasir was now in Lahore. He is staying with his uncle Sami. He liked his uncle too much, who is a jolly man, and he told him exciting stories. Jolly mean mazahiya. Make sure you write and tell mother that I am not getting into any trouble. Nasir told its uncle one morning. Uncle Sami laughed. I will, he said as he left for the office later. Nasir went to see so his uncle told him, make sure you could write and tell to your mother that I am not into any trouble. Nasir told one morning to his uncle. His uncle said and laughed, I will, as he soon left for his office. Shalmar Bagh, as he was walking along the path, he saw a little boy. The boy was sitting near a lamp post and crying. So Nasir was on his way to Shalmar Bagh and he saw a boy crying near the lamp post. Path mean raste, crying mean rona. What's the matter? Nasir asked. Why are you crying? So Nasir asked, what's your problem and why are you crying? Matter mean masla. I have hurt my leg, said the boy. I fell and cut my leg on the pavement. And then my dog broke its leg and ran off. I don't know where he is. So the boy replied that I had hurt my leg and I fell and cut my leg on the pavement, and then my dog broke its leg and ran off, and I don't know where my dog is. Hurt means zakhmi. I will help you, said Nasir. Which way did it go? It ran down that way along the road, said the boy. So Nasir said, I will help you. Which way the dog went? Nasir ran off down the road. He ran a long way and then he came to a meat stall. So Nasir ran a long way and then he came to the meat stall. The meat seller was now here to be seen. There was the dog. It was eating chunks of meat off the stall. So in meat stall, Nasir saw the dog and it was eating the chunks of meat. Meat seller mean kasai, chunks mean tukde. Nasir caught hold of the lead and pulled the dog along. As he returned along the path, he heard a shout, "Stop thief, stop thief." So Nasir took hold of lead and pulled the dog along. And as he ran toward the road, he heard a shout, "Stop thief, stop thief." Thief means chor. He turned round and there was the meat seller running towards him. Nasir was frightened. He started to run too as fast as he could, dragging the dog behind him. So as he saw behind himself, the meat seller was running towards him. He was frightened and he started to run as fast as he could and dragging the dog behind him. Soon other people started chasing him. A policeman with a long mustache and stick was running after him too. So other people and police also started chasing him. The meat seller shouted. Nasir ran. The dog was pulled along. So as the meat seller shouted, Nasir started running, and the dog was pulled along. Chasing mean पीछा करना. The crowd caught up with Nasir and the dog. Nasir was now at the lamp post, and there was the boy. The policeman was angry, but the boy explained. The policeman, the meat seller, and the others soon went away. So the crowd caught hold of the Nasir and the dog. Nasir was near the lamp post, and there was that boy. The policeman was angry, but that little boy explained the matter, that what had happened. So soon the other people and meat seller left the place. Nasir took the boy back to his house. In the evening, Nasir told Uncle Sami about the boy and the dog. So Nasir took that boy back to his house, and in the evening he told his Uncle Sami about the dog and boy. "Luckily I wrote to your mother this morning," laughed Uncle Sami. So his uncle replied that luckily I wrote to your mother this morning, and laughed. Laughed means hussing. So this is the end of chapter 4. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.